Hi, this is British English with me, Frank. Today we're going to talk about the body. Yep, head, shoulders, knees and toes, but without the music. Stay tuned. The general parts of the body, the basics in English. So we have the head, the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the chest, the stomach and the belly, the back, that's behind me, the bottom, that's what I'm sitting on, and then we have my legs and my feet. So that's the general parts of the body. But let's get more specific. So we'll start with the head. Here I have two eyes. Eyes, you see how you spell that? Eyes. One eye, two eyes. The left eye, the right eye. The same with the ears. Ears. One ear, two ears. So they're regular words. The mouth, my mouth, my tongue, my teeth. See, you've got one tooth, many teeth. 2, 3, 4 teeth. What else do we have? We have the cheeks. We have the eyebrows. Do you know what this is called? The forehead. The forehead. And if you can see what's left of it, my hair. That's what we usually have on top of our head. So, eyes, ears, mouth. Ah! This is my nose. My nose. So, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, cheeks, forehead, hair, chin. I have a chin. These are the parts of the head in English. So let's move on to the arm and the hand. We have the arm, then we have the muscles, well, I wish, the elbow, here we have the wrist, you see how it's spelt with a W, W-R-I-S-T, the wrist. The hand has one thumb and 4 fingers. So that's a thumb. If you want to give this video a thumbs up, now's the time. The 4 fingers, the little finger, or they say, I think in American English, the pinky. I'm not sure really why. That's the hand. Then the legs. So we have a left leg and a right leg. And halfway down the leg, in the middle, we have a knee. So we have 2 knees. 1 knee, 2 knees. And then we have the foot. And the foot has at the back a heel. Then we have the ankle as well. And we have toes. Now the toes are the fingers of the foot. In some languages it's the same word for fingers, but we call them toes. So we have the big toe, and we have the small toe, and then the other toes. And on our toes and our fingers we have fingernails and toenails. So, we bite them, women paint them, each to their own. So that's the legs and the feet. How about inside? Well, up here, hopefully, we have the brain. We have the skeleton and the veins where the blood goes through. We have the skin covering the whole of the body. We have our spine, or our spinal cord at the back. We have a heart. Dun, 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 dun. We have our lungs in the middle here. We have our stomach and our belly. We have two kidneys there and a liver. So these are the basic parts of our body, starting from the top, working down, and then inside. But how can we describe these different parts of the body? Let's look at some adjectives that we can use to describe different features that we have. Okay, so let's do that right now. So I'm going to make a list of adjectives, and then we can practice using them along with a part of the body. Big or large. He has a big belly. Or he has a large nose. Medium or average. We could say that he has medium-sized feet, or he has average hands. Small or little. He has very small eyes, or little eyes. Normal or strange. He has strange lips. Do we say lips? Lips. She has beautiful hands. Hands. He has abundant hair. Hair, abundant hair, lots of hair. He has green eyes and tanned skin. She has blonde hair. But her father has grey hair. We can also use for eyes blue or brown eyes. Red eyes means that you are tired or exhausted. Dark skin or light skin. I am very short or I am very tall. Adjectives, descriptive words that help us describe the body, or the face, or the hands, or the feet. We can say he has a very straight nose, very straight, or a crooked nose. Maybe a boxer has a crooked nose. Are you a boxer? Do you have a crooked nose? You can have bright eyes, or a bright smile. You can be handsome if you're a man, beautiful if you're a woman. Or you can say about the hair, he has very thick hair. Thick has a few meanings, so well, I would say I am blonde with blue eyes. I have a unusual or strange nose here, strange. I have average lips, normal lips. I have a small chin, and my forehead is getting bigger every day. That's life. I have average ears and a happy smile. How would you describe yourself using the words that we've practiced today? Well, leave a comment with your description, telling me what you look like. Okay? That's your homework. If you want to know more about all parts of English, then you want to check out this video to learn more about the parts of speech. If you want to support our channel, please subscribe. And if you want to do something for us, buy us a coffee. You'll see the link in the description below. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you soon. This is British English with me, Frank.